Hello rapid sale buyers, here's a 2011 Toyota Sienna LE with 211,000 kilometers approximately at time of videoing. This car or van is in amazing condition for the year of it. It's an 8-passenger, lots of room in it for the hockey mom and dad, sports-minded parents. Got new tires on it with power everywhere. This car has always been serviced by Toyota for all its major servicing, plus its regular oil changes. Again, it just purrs like a kitten in a creamery on a sunny Sunday afternoon. Got power doors on it. Everything is working good on both sides. It's got 8 seating for 8, rear seating in the back, and look up top, it's got the great big DVD player in it to keep everybody amused. Temperature climate control on the inside. Again, it's in clean, meticulous condition. Take a look inside. LE, nice colors, non-smoking, pristine condition. She should shut on her own. There she goes. First time trying it. Ladies and gentlemen, you get yourselves a good Toyota Sienna for somebody. LE model. Take a look in the back here. Third row seating. We'll go right down below. Just need to push that top down, Chuck. You push this. There we go. And then we just pull that back down. Third row seating, down she goes. Lots of room for the mother-in-law's dog in the back. All kinds of room for the hockey gear. Very few blemishes on it, if any. The only one blemish I can fault it is just in front of the rear left driver's side wheel. Just a little bit of blemishing starting there. Very little. And I mean very little. Just showing you all. Clean condition. Got the power locks. No lights on other than the seat belt warning light. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your opportunity for a nice 2011 Toyota Sienna. What an opportunity for somebody. Enjoy.